The essence of lead generation, though, goes beyond simply answering questions, or answering questions about your product or service. What is lead creation, after all, but how your business uses those leads to promote itself? Increase its customer base, and grow itself financially. It also contains how to lead creation is beneficial, as well as why lead creation is important, and what types of strategies businesses like yours can implement to attract and cultivate qualified leads. For more information about http://bit.ly/2ydvitma lead generation tips that can make you an expert in no time, head over to my website http://bit.ly/2ydvitma.